Thanks for coming back. It's so good to see you as always. Woohoo! It usually comes in a black box just like this. It's $21 a month and it includes 5 to 6 sample size products. There it is. Opening up the box, you get a nice little bow, very classy. Free coffee? What? Which is good because I like coffee. Well, some people like tea. All the deets on what's included for the month. Social media information at the back. You can open it up and it gives you a whole spread of everything that's included, the cost of the full size, tips as to how to use it, and what it does. But once you open up the box, this is everything you're going to see for the Row Gorgeous Scalp Mask. Full size of this runs $28. Daily Concepts, individual who think in the shower. And it's a body scrubber. It's organic, vegan, and biodegradable. So it does have a little suction cup, so you could stick it to a shower. Yeah, it's a loofah. Has a little hangy thing. It's soft. I'm looking for something a little bit more for my $21. This one's $10. I don't think I've ever spent $10 on a loofah before.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to announce. So I do have a winner for my giveaway. It is a Janet G. Please reach out to me within the next 24 hours. Otherwise, you forfeit your gift and I'm going to have to give it away to somebody else. I don't want to do that. Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. There's a little seal on it. Oh wow, it smells like coffee. It'd be like in the shower smelling coffee. Whoa. Whoa. Really what it looks like. Coffee and coconut oil, but it just smells like coffee to me. Kind of makes me want to eat it, honestly. Full size of this runs $24. I could still smell the coffee, the scent of coffee. I don't know how I feel about smelling coffee on my skin. That's weird. So that's an interesting purchase. Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. Oil-free gel cream. Another seal on it, which is always a plus. Whoa, snotty looking. Kind of snotty. Feels good on my skin. I'm okay with it. Yeah, it smells like a watermelon. And this is supposed to be good for all skin types. Holy cow. Full size of this runs $45, which is pretty intense for a balm. I'm not mad at the smell. It's really good. Very light, very airy. It's all about the bombs. Bomb, bomb, bomb. I don't know how I'm supposed to say this word. Oryza? Oryza? Oryza Beauty? Your guess is as good as mine on this one. This is a Dewy Glow Beauty Balm. Full size of this runs $16. A lot more reasonable, and it's for skin, lips, and nails. Whoa. It doesn't feel very balmy. It feels like a moisturizer on my lips, honestly. So I rubbed it on my hands. Look at my hand. Look at this one. Look at the shine on this hand. Oh, I can smell it now. Oh, it's like an oil smell. I couldn't smell it on my lips, but I could definitely smell it on my hands. And you could see it. Look how shiny my hand is. This is a dewy effect. Someone lied to you. That is not dewy. That looks oily. I got Kocostar Slice Sheet Masks, and this is in cucumber and watermelon. Full size is 2 sheets, and these run $10, so it's $5 a pop. Ooh. Okay. Oh wow, it smells so good. Ooh. Luckily, there is no drippage. Oh, there is slightage though. Alright, and it's a total of 12 sheets. So that's it, all done. I think I just put little pepperonis all over my face or something. It's been a little more than 15 minutes drying off, as you can see. And then rub the excess serum into my skin. Feels so revitalized, actually. It's really good. Woo! Feel like $1,000,000. Goodbye!